Tony Logan, back here with another video. And
you are retarded.
wait, look, I'm with my auntie, my mama, and my dad. And look at him. Look.
Shut up, Rufus.
Look. Mommy.
Boy, shut up. Them is kids. All right, come on, man. Let her go. Go wash your face and wash your nose and all that. She thinks she cute.
She is.
Girl.
You was just complimenting me on the phone. Don't do that. Don't do that. Huh?
No.
Toxic mama, my sister. That's my real sister.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
Bye, Tony.
Bye.
No.
Bye, fake mama with the
I
big
know she
eyes.
told me. All right, we
He talking about my fake mama with the big eyes.
Bubble gum.
Not that she bucking him.
Bye, fake mama.
Bye, fake brother. Go wash your face.
Your ears as big as an elf.
Look at him with the stuff in his face and he want a cap. Go wash your face.
He got cheesecake on his face.
That's what bye, Jace.
Bye.
Hell yeah.
Look at my nails. You wanna know who did this?
Let me see.
Y'all go comment on RJ post and say why you break Tony nails.
Okay.
Go comment
Boy,
and go
go
DM
find
him.
you something to do. Like a towel and some hot water and wash your face. Then come holler at me.
Y'all look at my baby, he's sweet. He's so cute. But I'm finna go help my mom find something to wear because she finna go to a party.
Yeah.
Go 2 hours and 30 minutes away.
Going to a party.
Period. Stop playing with her.
Yes, and it's all white, so I gotta be fresh.
Period. So I'm gonna get back to y'all when we get at the store. Alright, so we are outside of the clothes store. And my mama really got this boy in a whole stroller.
Yeah, so he can.
She keeping it in her trunk.
I better.
Kendrick, say hey. He like, I don't care about that camera. Get it out my face. But I'm finna try to find me some too. Shoot. Hey. He just staring at me because he just woke up. Kendrick. He looking at this camera, he never seen one. Look at you. They got a lot of stuff that's very extra. Yeah. I got these. And
You got that?
my love Kennedy has these. How they gonna go from having stuff, cute stuff to granny dresses? I know. Yeah. No, he looking at me. He looking at me.
Just pull it on, baby.
Look at him.
If he don't like that.
I'm finna see what he do. Hendrix. I'm sad. He do not want to be in there. Oh, you trying to end it already? But I'm gonna get some food.
Follow
Get
her.
some oxtail. Say hey.
You should have sun in my face. Give her some kiss, honey. Give her some kiss. Give her some kiss. Say, oh, I give her some kiss.
But I'm gonna get back to y'all when I'm getting my food. But first, I'm gonna show y'all what he do every time he looks at me. Hendrix.
Bruh.
Oh, he laid down.
That's a sweet brother.
Yeah, I'm really gonna get back to y'all when I get my food. All right, y'all. So I ain't gonna get nothing to eat, but yeah, I'm finna start a vlog. So bye, y'all. What's up, y'all?
What's up, y'all?
It's your girl Tony Logan.
It's your boy Rudy.
What's up, y'all? It's your girl Tony Logan back here with another video. I tried to start my vlog, but my camera died, so I charged it. But we just drove live road. My uncle drove 3 hours to Austin so my dad could bring our Frenchie. And then I'm gonna be showing y'all what going on. Alright, so where the light at? But
With my twin,
period.
Tony Logan, man. My daughter, she Bad got like- kid Tony Logan. Y'all know what it is, man.
Basically. So they finna breed. Look at Mally. Alright, so we just got in, and all these dogs, look, they want all of these. The one that we're breeding with right now, he want all of these. Go check out his Instagram. Yeah. So I want 2 French. Melly.
See that boy Kilo? Lollican, Quad, Carrot Cream, and L4 Fluffy. Kilo. Hey, boy. Hey. It's still the best. Fluffy grandkids come out. It's gonna be over then.
Look at him.
They're not super, bro. Like Fluffy, on the way.
Look at him.
You gonna put a diaper on?
Yeah. You got it.
And then he just sitting over.
All the way till she get home too.
Melly. And he gonna get down. Melly. It's the legs for me. Melly, you like your pepper? She embarrassed. Look, she embarrassed. She don't want to look. Over here embarrassed. How you gonna get embarrassed? Look, she moving. She moving.
Hey, that's quality, man. That's quality. Right there. Look how short he is.
I love you. It's okay. It's okay.
I'm gonna see Mr. Tremaine.
You want me to kiss? Oh.
Man, yo, look at what's his name, Mr. Traumatic.
Mr. Traumatic.
Hey, that's Pretty Boy Traumatic, man.
It's Isabella.
This is a new shade, Isabella.
You got it on.
He beautiful.
And he intense, huh? And he carry cream
Double
too,
intensity, carries cream,
I
2
know
10 points, 2 blues, 2 cocos, 2 testable chocolate Isabellas.
Man, he's
Let me
beautiful,
see
man.
it.
That's the new
You can
color,
put him down
man.
a little bit. Oh shit.
She trying to get that.
She on him. She going crazy.
Look at him. He Isabella.
Yo, you got your cell phone?
Yeah.
Use your cell phone and tag me and say the video regular. How much 6?
Why is he licking her thumb?
I got a couple of slots over to 5.
No, don't lick my
He's
tripod.
originally 6.
Yeah.
Oh my goodness.
That's his mom. This is his stepdaddy. Yeah. Let's put her down. Let's see how fat she is.
How much you say?
8+.
She little. She's so
See how
little.
little she is.
Oh, she pregnant. She pregnant.
Okay, so
She finna drop.
let me ask you a
Next
question.
week.
With her being Brenda, does she no white on her?
Because she don't carry powder.
She just gotta smell me first.
She's AY18.
I don't know yet. I might try to use that.
If you give a puppy and then you breed him to another one, you can line breed, and those two will create dogs.
My shirt's all this color. All my characters got purple in it. But I'm finna show y'all her. She's so cute. I ain't really doing nothing to my hair. I just looked back. But I'm gonna show y'all. My baby.
What it do? It's your boy Rudolph. It's TBF, you know what I'm saying? The Bulldog man. Y'all want Bulldogs, Frenchies? Get at me or get at the bad kids.
Not my tripod.
But we on our way to get some jewelry right now.
I don't think I never took her nowhere. Well, she ain't been nowhere with me. I don't think she been nowhere. She's up at the house. Oh, that ain't my phone. I forgot. Better be on it, but I'm gonna get back to y'all when we get there. What's up, y'all? It's your girl, Tony Logan, back here with another video. And Sweet Pea, oh my God. But I'm gonna go in the jewelry store and I'm about to get some earrings and I'm about to get my chain fixed. So I'm gonna get with y'all.
Yeah. She going to my jewelry, man. I'm bad kid, Tony Logan, daddy, Rudolph. Stay bussin'. You know, got them Bulldogs over here. So get at us.
Alright, so We just got in here. And so the bags I need are custom bags.
Going down, we had Majula Sammy. You know what I'm saying? There you go, right there. You know what I'm saying? He got everything. Everything you need. You getting your other earpiece today?
I'm getting my second hole.
How much you charging?
Everybody complimenting my baby. Oh yeah.
In a vlog, yeah.
What's up, Gemma?
Let me see you. Looking like a daddy.
I was gonna get my second hole re-pierced because it very much closed and I got it done. Like, ooh, let me show the camera.
That's nice.
Let me show the camera.
What's going on with you, Gemma? Chilling? Alright, did you get that pic?
You see that? Let me put it on the chain for him.
Let me see. See, that's a big size. Hell yeah. That's perfect key.
It's pretty.
Look at that.
Maybe let me.
He's sweepy.
Viewers, y'all like that? She bustin', she ain't playing with y'all. Look at these earrings. Bitch, y'all ain't got them. Yeah, bitch, y'all ain't got them. Yeah, bitch ain't got that neither. But hey, sweet pea. Alright, stop it. Oh.